Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the cheeky bum, and today I have an unboxing for you. I ended up ordering the Echo Park Christmas mystery box. They were doing like the 12 days of Christmas. Every day was a different deal, and I did the mystery box, which was only $50. It was free shipping, and I was like, why not? Let's give it a shot and see what we get. I think they said it was like a mix of. I haven't opened it yet, so I've just cut the tape. I think there could be paper kits, paper pads like the 6x6s, stickers, chipboard, and stuff like that. I don't really know. I didn't really care too much. I was like, oh, we'll just get it. It's a good deal. So we're gonna get into it. Ooh, I already see a lot of stuff. I see Christmas right off the bat. Like, I assumed that there might be some Christmas in here, trying to get rid of some Christmas stock. You know, if they're doing this prior to Christmas, most likely they want to get rid of their Christmas stock so they're not carrying over a whole lot. I'm not quite sure how that really works. But we're gonna go through it. So it looks like there's two sticker books. This one is Nutcracker Christmas. I really do like nutcrackers, so I'm okay with this. Let's see where my box. Let's do. I don't know. I've never purchased one of the sticker books before. I've only ever ordered like paper kits, 6x6s, and sometimes I have gotten like chipboard before. But that's it. I've never gotten a sticker book, so let's just kind of flip through it and see what we get. Oh, this is cute. I really do like nutcrackers. This is definitely more traditional colors, but that's okay. Oh, I like that there's sentiments. I'll definitely use those. I like to put these on like just cardstock and then cut them out so it has, a little bit more stability. So, oh, cute. So I don't think it's repeating at all. But these are really fun. Oh, maybe it does repeat at least twice. So you probably get two of each. I don't think it says it on here. Oh, well, it shows you this, and we have multiples of these. So I think that you get like at least two of each. And then this is our Happy Place. I think I have this collection. I think I might have this paper kit. Or I have one that's very similar. But I think I might have this one. And this one's Lori Whitlock. But these are kind of staple. Like, you can use these for a little bit of anything. And that's what that one is. And then it just repeats. I really like the palette of this. The nice pinks, the greens, the blues, the pink, yellow. It all goes together very well. This one is Chilling with My Snowmies. Oh, I do love snowmen. I don't know if I've seen this or looked at it. Might not have like just caught my attention. I do like their 6x6s. They are double-sided. This is a nice, pretty, like, winter one. I don't have a whole lot of just, like, winter without it being Christmassy. So I actually really like this. It's got a lot of penguins. This is cute. I like this. This will definitely be good for doing some, like, winter paper crafts, which I don't do a lot of. But this, I think, might inspire me to do so. So that's really cute. And then we have the Wizard of Oz, which is super cute. I don't have any Wizard of Oz things, so this is kind of nice. This would probably be good for a little album, like, just when you smash like a 6x6 and do it into an album. I think that would be really cute for this. It's really pretty. This is so cute. I have not seen this. I don't even think I've seen a flip through. I mean, there's probably flip throughs out there, but I don't know if I've seen one. This is really pretty. This, like I said, this will make a really cute mini album. I like that. We have a vintage Christmas. These are the adhesive brads and chipboard. These are really cute. We have Christmas Joy frames and tags. This is Happy Holidays. This is like a vintage one, which I really like vintage Christmas, so that's cute. This one is Season's Greetings. This is giving me kind of vintagey vibes as well. We have our Happy Place. So I think I might have like a whole collection of Happy Place in here maybe. I don't know. We'll see. This is flare buttons. Some puffy stickers. We have more Nutcracker puffy stickers. Those are cute. Our Happy Place puffy stickers. Like I said, I wonder, maybe there'll be, hopefully there'll be a collection kit in here. I think I already have it, but if not, it would be nice. Christmas time at chipboard. That's really, I like that chipboard. And then we have, ooh, these are like frames, chipboard frames. Happy Christmas. Cute. And we have White Christmas chipboard. These are kind of vintagey as well. These are cute. And then, ooh, Happy Holidays. I really like this collection. This is really cute. I don't know if I've ever really noticed this before, but I'm really digging it. Oh, I love this Santa in the car. I like that. Ooh, there's a collection kit. So let's see. Let's pull these out. And then I'll do a flip through of the collections. All right, so we have the Happy Holidays paper collection. I'm so excited to look through that. We have I Love Fall. I think I have some of this. I don't know if I have all of it, but I think I have some of this. I could be lying. I know I have some little fall Echo Park kit. And it reminds me of this one. So I don't know if it's this one or very similar, which I don't have a whole lot of fall. So that's good. Summertime, I do have this collection kit, but I have used some of it. So I don't mind having more of it. And we do. So I do have a Happy Place. I think, again, I think that I might have this one, or there's one that's similar to this one. I'm not sure. But let's do a quick flip through of these, just in case you haven't seen them like me. So if you wanted to turn off now without looking at them, you're more than welcome to. But I love a good flip through. Ooh, this red is stunning. So we have this like gridded pattern. Sorry, I still have a little tickle in my throat. The vintagey looking Christmas trees. I really like this color palette as well, with the dark blues, light blue, and the mint. I really like that. We have like the, I don't know, they're vintagey looking stars. I don't know. And then our cut apart sheet. This is cute. Red on red stars. We have Santas. They are, just so you know, they're all white Santas. They're not diverse Santas. Ooh, I like stamps, so I really like this page. This is really cute. Oh, I might have to like cut this apart. And then we have like this postage page on the back. That could be cute too. I think I might have washi tape that's like this. So then we have, I don't know if you can see that pattern. It's like a starburst, but it's blue on blue. And then some more cut aparts. Oh, I love this like vintagey TV. I have one in my stash that's either like KS Craft or ZF Party, but Scrap Diva just came out with a new TV as well, a vintage TV. So that would be really cute to use that TV in this collection. Like a little swag with bows, and then the snowflakes, green polka dot and stripes, colorful snowflakes. Sorry. And then more journaling cards, cut aparts, whatever. I really like the Santa in the car. We have a plaid. And then stockings on the back. We have this really pretty snowflake. And then the light bulbs. I really like light bulbs as well. Then we have a stripe. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Let me clear my throat. Sorry about that. I feel much better now. There's like a tag sheet that you can use like it is, but this would be cute to cut apart and use a whole bunch of little tags as well. They're all numbered. So this would be cute even just to utilize the 2 pages and make a little spread in your December daily, or you can cut it apart and use the numbers for your December daily, or if you wanted to make like an advent calendar. We have some green stars. And then some like vintage looking ornaments. And then this is the sticker sheet. This is a really cute collection. I really, really am enjoying this. I think this is really cute. And I want to play with it, but not right now. No time for that. So I'm getting ready to move on to the next, right? And then this one is I Love Fall. This is really pretty. Ooh, look at this brownish, like terracotta brown pattern. It's really pretty. A lot of fun cut aparts. These are really cute. I might have to make like a fall folio. I don't do a lot of fall crafting, but I wish I did. I just didn't have time this year. But I love like the earthy tones of this. It's very like fall colors, like traditional fall colors. Pumpkins, trees. This one has leaves. Got all these like little squirrels, and we have a raccoon. Wow, that took me a minute to think about raccoon. First thing I was like trash panda, but that is not the technical name. Oh, I love the little tractor with a wagon full of pumpkins. Cute. I like the irregular polka dots that they used in this collection instead of it being very uniform polka dots. I like that. Oh, this is really cute. This is like, pull out all those mason jar dies that we have, right? And the brown gingham. Ooh, so pretty. And then here is the cut apart. Such a cute collection. All right, this one is summertime. I am glad to have backup of this one because I have used this. I don't think I have much left of this actually, because I've used it like 2 years in a row. I've used it on some projects. So we have this like cornflower blue gingham flowers. This is just a wood grain, like boardwalk. And then your cut aparts. I like this collection because it's so universal, because it's not just summertime. You can use it for any kind of ice cream type of swap, boardwalk, you know, swimming. Like it's just got a lot of different things in here. It's got a lot of fruits in here. It's a really cute collection and a lot of colors that you can pull in off of. Got the waves. I love this little bathing suit page. It's so cute. This yellow. Oh, this yellow is everything. Yellow stripe. Little cut aparts. I love this page. I don't know why. I think it's just the colors. like color gold rainbow plaid. Watermelon. I feel like their summer collection for the past couple years have all looked very similar. So you could really mix and match if you want. But I'm pretty sure I have ephemera for this as well. And maybe even chipboard. And here's the sticker sheet. It's so much fun. All right, so that is summertime. Oops, I didn't mean to hit you. I'm sorry. And then this one is our happy place. No, I can't remember if maybe I don't have this one, or I have one so similar. But I love the color palette. It's a very calming color palette. Oh, this is a cute little page. The florals are all really cute. There's a little basket. These are like little triangles. More cut aparts. I like these type of pages. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I really like them. I don't know why, when it's just got, you know, just words of whatever the collection is, whatever it means, but I find them aesthetically pleasing. Love the little bookshelf page. And these are like kind of like stars-ish, 4-point stars. Our story. This would make a cute album. But I'm loving the book pages though. Look how cute that is. The florals are really pretty. It's got good cut aparts. I think, yeah, this would make a very good album. And I have like just a little bit of everything for it. So this might have to be a little album. And then we have this sticker sheet. So cute. If you've stayed through all the flip through, you know, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know that I like watching flip through so I can get a better idea of just the coloring and the patterns, because sometimes they're just hard to read on the internet, like when you're just looking over them, and they don't always just show everything. And just from this, like, I can't get a whole visual of like what a whole sheet would look like. So I really enjoy flip throughs. So I hope that you do too. But this was a good mystery box. I think it was well worth $50. I would do another one. I really enjoy everything that I got. I think I can utilize almost everything. Yeah, I'm pleasantly pleased. I'm very, very pleased with it. So I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas. I'm not sure if you'll see this before Christmas or after Christmas. As I'm recording today, it is Christmas Eve, so it probably won't go up until this weekend. But I hope that everybody has very festive holidays, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.